Hey everyone, let's take 10 minutes to gently warm up the body, release any stiffness, and start your day feeling energized and grounded. This short, gentle mobility flow is perfect for beginners or for anyone who needs a reset to their morning. Let's get started. Come back on our mat, feet shoulder width apart. Let's inhale our arms up, slightly bend your knees and come up. Exhale. Good. Warming up the body. I thank you so much for joining me again today. My name is Shirkendra. I help women over 40 and beginners build self-confidence in movement and how to live a healthier lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Good. Let's do 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Keep your hands down at your sides, ground your feet into the mat, roll your shoulders back, belly button in for mountain pose. Gently close your eyes as we reset for your morning, reset for the day in this power pose. Take some easy breaths in and out through your nose. Few more here. Deep breath in. And exhale. Good. Open your eyes. Just take our feet out a little bit wide. I'm going to do some shoulder rolls and bend the knees at the same time. So let's swoop down and open up. A little twist into your torso, into your spine. Nice gentle movement here. You might feel some pops and cracks in your joints. That's perfectly fine. That just means they're waking up for the day, getting loosened, getting energized. Continue to breathe and sway a little bit back and forth. You can feel your knees warming up here, your hips and your shoulders, your torso. Good. A few more here. And 1 more. And good. Let's come to center. Drop your chin towards your chest. Good. And inhale. Look up. Exhale down, chin to chest. Look up again. And good. Center. Look over your right shoulder. And to the other side. Still being mindful of your breath here. Continue to breathe. Your blood is starting to probably circulate right now, feeling some warmth in your chest. Starting to feel some energy. Good. 2 more. And to the other side. Good job. Next, we'll do our standard side stretch. Let's inhale our right arm over. And let's stretch out our spine. Go as far as you are comfortable to going. Let's continue to breathe. Inhale. Exhale, release. Good. Other side. Inhale, stretch up and over. Feel that stretch in that torso towards your entire spine. Also in your hip area, you may feel that stretch as well. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release. Let's do singles here. Reach over. Continue to breathe. And keep your knees slightly bent. We don't want to have them locked. Still want to keep them nice and loosened. Also, be mindful of keeping your belly button gently pulled in as we are doing our practice for today. Good, 2 more. Good, excellent. Work out our hips, so place your hands on your hips, and we're just going to do some circles all the way around. Remember not to arch your back too much. Our main focus here is on our hips, so again, keep your feet firmly planted, knees slightly bent. Gently pull that belly button in. I always want to keep that as our reminder. Continue to breathe in and out. Almost as if we're doing hula hoop dance here. Good. 2 more times. 1 and 2. Let's reverse. Go the other way. And you also too will feel a stretch in our inner thigh. Let me feel that stretch there. Continue to breathe. Good. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's go ahead and head to our mat for some floor work. Roll back on your back for figure 4. Bring your right ankle over your left knee. Bring your leg up. Clasp your hands underneath your left knee and gently pull forward. You'll feel that releasing and opening in your hip area, in your knee joints as well. You should still feel it in your lower back also. Let's rest here for a moment. And as you're breathing, try to, if you feel comfortable, try to pull the knee a little bit closer to you. And also for a deeper stretch, you can place your hand on the side of your knee and gently push open. You'll feel that stretch as well. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Bring your leg down. Let's switch legs. Left ankle over your right knee. And again, let's lift up for figure 4. Clap your hands behind your left knee. And also, instead of using your hand, you can use your left elbow and gently press against your inner thigh. You'll also feel that deepened stretch in your hip area. This also is very beneficial if you're having some nerve pain or any type of sciatica. This is a great release for that. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Release. Just bring both feet down towards the mat. We're going to do some more hip opening here. Extend your right leg out and bring it up, down to the side, and we will do some little mini circles. So you will feel this stretch in your hamstrings, also your calves, and your quads as well. This is a gentle hip opening for that. And see how your body is feeling. If there's anything that you are doing that is making you feel uncomfortable, or if you feel any pain, please feel free to stop and just relax in relaxation pose. You are more than welcome to do that anytime. Again, you also may notice that one side may be tighter than the other. That's perfectly normal. But still, we always want to give each side some love, some gentle stretching love. Good. Both knees in toward our chest for a bundle pose. Give yourself a gentle hug. Very proud of you. You did it. Wonderful job. Just gently rock back and forth here. Last but not least, this is probably everyone's favorite relaxation pose. Go ahead and stretch your legs out. Bring your arms above you and just allow your body to sink deep into the floor. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, side out. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself. Be grateful for today. Today's going to be wonderful. You're going to do great in whatever you do. Good. You may stay in relaxation pose for as long as you'd like. If not, go ahead and bend your knees. Gently turn to the side and push up to a seated pose. Inhale your arms up and exhale, hands to heart center. Let's take a bow. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this exercise helped you feel more energized and grounded. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more support on your wellness journey. I do also have some links in the description below. If you haven't already signed up for my free 5-day gentle yoga guide, that is still available to you. So go ahead and sign up there. And I hope to see you again soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.